Since I have mod x here, so I'm going to take mod x square equal to x square. Since x square is positive and mod x the whole square is also positive, so I'm going to take mod x square is equal to x square. So upon substituting in this equation, 2 mod x into mod x the whole square plus 1 equal to 5 into mod x the whole square. So again I'm going to take mod x equal to y. So this can be written as 2y into y square plus 1 into 5y square. So upon simplifying, 2y cube plus 2y minus 5y square equal to 0, or y into 2y square minus 5y plus 2 equal to 0. So we have a solution y equal to 0, and 2y square minus 5y plus 2 should be equal to 0. So factorizing the given equation, so we are ending up with 2y into y minus 2 minus 1 into y minus 2 equal to 0. So 2y minus 1 and y minus 2 equal to 0. So 2y is equal to 1 and y equal to 1 by 2, and y equal to y minus 2 equal to 0, and y will be equal to 2. So we know that it should have integral solution, so this is omitted. So y equal to 2, that is mod x equal to 2, so this can be plus 2 and minus 2. So how many solutions we have? 0, 2 and minus 2. So there are 3 solutions. So we can approach this sum in this way also.